Hi, I'm Ali from Creating with Ali, and today I'm opening up an Artsnacks box. Now, the interesting thing about this Artsnacks box is that it is the last one that can be delivered to me. So let's take a look inside this box. And in this Artsnacks box, if you are lucky enough to be able to get some of these boxes across your part of the world, we've got instructions. We have got some Derwent line markers. I haven't used Derwent line markers before, so these are new to me. So we have a 0.1, 3 and 5. And it says super fine, free flowing, permanent liners. And those are the 3 sizes there. We've got sharpener. We've got this Dream Sour Lolly, and inside this green wrapping, Artsnacks sticker, the only one I'll ever own. We've got a touch drawing pencil. This is a double-sided, it's written in these, what have we got? It is a twin tip Tombow Furinsuki black grey marker. So we've got black and grey on either side. And then we have one of these. Now this is a fluoro, I wasn't expecting this colour. So this is an acrylic Montana acrylic marker. Let's just get the wrapping off this. Here we go. So this is going to be an interesting piece of work that I will do with this collection. So there you have it. This collection has cost me $36 Australian to come. And I've seen a lot of these openings of different boxes online, and I wanted to get one and see whether or not it would be worth it here. And I don't know that it would be. By the time we worked out postage all the way across to our wonderful island here of Australia, it doesn't quite work out. Mind you, these are products that I haven't necessarily seen here either. I have a couple of different craft boxes on their way. I wanted to test a few out and see if there's any worthwhile that I would stay with. So at the moment, this is the very first one. This is the very last time that I'll be able to enjoy Artsnacks, unless something changes with the way that they can post internationally. What to do with these? Well, that comes next.